Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Gaurav Ratnaparkhi. I am a only full-time consultant gastroenterologist at Kamal Nayan Bajaj Hospital, Aurangabad. I hope that you and your family are doing good in this COVID era. Please take care of yourself and your family. Now this video is to introduce ourselves to you, what we are doing in a department of medical gastroenterology at Bajaj Hospital. So we are dealing with the patients of hepatology, pancreatology, bowel as well as endoscopic procedures. These are the various fields where we are dealing. The facilities which we have are advanced endoscopes. We have a 190 series Olympus endoscope, which is a top end endoscope with a narrowband imaging facility. We have a colonoscope. To perform an ERCP, we have a side view endoscope from Olympus, and which can be used to decompress the biliary system in a case of benign as well as malignant biliary obstructions, as you know. We also have linear echo endoscope from Olympus company with ME1 system, ME1 processor we have, which can be used to do diagnostic as well as therapeutic endoscopic ultrasound procedures. As you all know, endoscopic ultrasound procedures have revolutionized the way in which endoscopies are being performed. We are fortunate to have that. We have an expert technical assistant staff with us, and we have a fully equipped ICU to deal with any kind of GI emergencies. I was also fortunate to be trained by Dr. Hu Bing at West China Hospital, Chengdu, where I learned an art and skills of performing endoscopic submucosal dissection and peroral endoscopic myotomy, which are the top end procedures in the field of advanced endoscopy and can be used to treat GI malignancies as well as dysphagia secondary to achalasia cardia. So let's take a look at our endoscopy suite now, and I'll show you the linear echo endoscope because that is my area of interest to perform the pancreaticobiliary interventions, especially ERCP and EUS. So welcome, this is our endoscopy suite. As you can see over here, we have fully functional endoscopy suite with all the state-of-art facilities. As I already discussed, the important scopes such as linear echo endoscope from Olympus, side view endoscopes which are required to perform higher end procedures such as endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, endoscopic ultrasonography, those also we have. You can see on the screen behind me, this is the linear echo endoscope we have started, and we'll have one procedures afterward. We also have state-of-art fluoroscopy unit. We have excellent anesthesia backup. We can perform all the procedures such as management of gastrointestinal bleeding with the help of endoscopic variceal ligation, EST, hemoclipping, performing glue injections, performing endoscopic polypectomies for the polyps in a GI tract. We can take fine needle aspiration cytology from hepatopancreaticobiliary malignancy as well as mediastinal growths or lymph nodes to have an etiological diagnosis with the help of endoscopic ultrasound. With the help of endoscopic ultrasound, we can drain the pseudocyst of pancreas. We can perform cystogastroscopy, cystoduodenostomy. In a case of a refractory biliary obstructions which are not amenable to ERCP also, we can go ahead and do hepaticogastrostomy, choledocoduodenostomy over here. We have recently performed one case of a celiac plexus neurolysis in a case of a refractory pancreatic pain due to CA pancreas. So various kind of interventions we can perform with endoscopic ultrasound, which is one of the topmost priority in this institute and which is one of my special area of interest. So this is all about the endoscopy department of Kamal Nayan Bajaj Hospital.